Good morning, my name is Nolan Regan, and today we're going to go over using the Field Swath function within your Pro 1200 display. Alright guys, once you got this display booted back up, we're going to come in here and go to the run screen that contains our map. Next, infill guidance lines in this field, we're going to come back up here, click on the swath icon, and go back to Field Swath. Next, we're going to go into the boundary section if we've already got a recorded boundary, and we'll hit Start. As you can see, it automatically goes and hits our headland pass. We're going to go ahead and change that. We're going to come back in and go to Manage, click on that play button, and then we're going to drop this mode down and hit Infill to go ahead and infill lines through this field. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on the gear icon to make this field suitable for the way I want to work it. As you can see here, it's got an A-B line, and that's basically how it's going to base our guidance lines in this field. And we've got three modes up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on the curve icon, and we're going to move these. I'm going to stick A right here, and we're going to stick B over here. We'll click on flip to go ahead and change that from that side of the field to this side so we can work this the way I'd like. We'll now hit apply, and we'll hit yes. And as you can see here, it's gone ahead and made me some curved guidance lines so I can go ahead and start down here and work to this corner as I go through the field. And as we come back this way where the lines become shorter, we're going to just have nice straight lines so we can work this side of the field. Using the Field Swath function to infill guidance lines in your field is super useful for taking the guesswork out of managing multiple different guidance lines throughout your field. You just let the monitor go ahead and generate those passes for you. Awesome. You guys have now learned how to use the Field Swath function within your Pro 1200 display. Now, here at Birkey's Farm Store, we do offer a field boundary recording service. What this allows us to do is go in and record those boundaries for you, and then we can provide you with a high-quality RTK boundary that we can then stick into your Pro 1200 display to make use of functions such as the Field Swath. For more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Birkey's Farm Store to speak to your precision farming specialist.